Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to fix Roblox error 403. So to start, we'll have to go here on my Windows and then let's just type here network connections and then let's just tap on the view network connections and then here we'll have to click or tap on the internet that I am using. So let's just right click on the internet that I'm using and then let's go to properties and then here let's go to internet protocol versions. So let's just tap on that to highlight this one and then go to properties and then here let's tap on use the following DNS server addresses. So here on the preferred DNS server, let's just type here 8888 and then in alternate DNS server, let's just type 8844. After that, before closing it, just tap on validate settings upon exit and then tap OK. And then after that, just tap on close. After closing it, you will be redirected to Windows Network Diagnostics. So here, it will determine if there are problems on the device. So as you can see, there are no problems. So you can now close this option and then after that, you can now uninstall and reinstall your Roblox. And that should fix the problem. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you and I'll see you all on our next video.